In 1936, she had been in South Africa for 12 years. She finally took my mother, who was then 10, and my mother's younger sister by boat from South Africa to Canada via the United States to go and visit her mother and her siblings. And it wasn't like today you get on a plane and it's 12, 15, 17 hours. It took them, they had to go via Europe. They went to Gibraltar. They switched boats in Gibraltar. Coming back, they went via Madeira. They switched boats in Madeira. And my mother always spoke about this experience. It was a very powerful experience in my mother's life, that she, as a child of 10, I think even today, a child of 10 going to another country for a long period of time was a formative experience. And she spent 6 months in the United States and Canada. And she always spoke about remembering so many Jews from Germany being on the ship from Gibraltar to, they were meant to go to Montreal, but the St. Lawrence had frozen. So they went to Brooklyn, and they waited till the winter passed. And my mother was put into public school in Brooklyn, and they lived with distant relatives in Brooklyn. And they had my mother in public school. She wrote letters with her teacher from the time she was there in 1936 till the early 80s when her teacher passed away. So for 50 years, almost 50 years, they corresponded between each other.